Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to copy keyframes in Moon Animator. Firstly, open Moon Animator inside Roblox Studio and load your animation project or create a new one. Now, to select the keyframes you want to copy, use Shift plus left click to select multiple keyframes, or Ctrl plus A to select all keyframes on the timeline. Right-click on the selected keyframes, then choose Copy Keyframes from the context menu. Move the playhead, which is the white timeline marker, to where you want to pass the keyframes. Right-click again on the timeline and select Pass Keyframes. They'll be pasted starting from the current playhead position. If you want to copy keyframes between different rigs or animations, make sure the same joints or tracks exist in both. You can also cut, delete or duplicate keyframes using the same right-click method. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.